In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make all TikTok posts private. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open up TikTok real quick. Let's turn the volume down. Okay, I'll get out of here and I'm going to go to my profile, tapping the profile icon. Then what we're doing is we're clicking on the three stripes at the top, then we're clicking on settings and privacy. Now you want to tap on activity center and you want to look for the option manage post visibility. Tap on that. Now you want to go ahead and select all your posts just like this. Okay, go ahead and select all your posts, pretend I've done that, then click on next, and you want to set the visibility to only you and then tap on update. Okay, if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to this channel.